Welcome to a Gulfstream G650ER, the king of long-range private jets.
13,000 kilometer nonstop range, flies up speed of sound, and costs around $70 million new. Blended winglets reduce drag by 7% and add 500 plus kilometers extra range. Rolls-Royce Pearl 700 or BR 725 engines. Each produces 18,000 pounds of thrust, quieter than a Mercedes S-Class on the ground. T-tail and APU. The T-tail keeps the horizontal stabilizer out of engine wake, providing a smoother ride. Rear APU, or auxiliary power unit, runs AC, lights, and galley when engine's off. Electric air stairs with built-in handrail lights. No need for airport stairs. The main door opens downwards and becomes the staircase, pure James Bond style. 5.5 cubic meters, enough for 20 plus suitcases, plus 6 golf bags or 4 snowboards. High gloss wood, touchscreen controls. Microwave, convection oven, espresso machine, wine chiller, and real crystal glassware. Fully enclosed forward crew restroom so passengers never wait. Zone 1, club seating, 4 captain seats. Each seat fully reclines, massages, heats, cools, and has main cabin zones. Seats face each other with fold-out dining meeting tables. Zone 2, conference plus dining area. Perfect for board meetings at 41,000 feet.
Full standing shower with hot water, vacuum toilet, and water recycling system. Designed for the
rear lavatory with shower is a sanctuary of luxury, featuring a marble countertop, designer curves.
Cabin technology highlights. Experience 14 to 60 hours of silent turbulence-reducing flight